Step 1. System Overview. This video is designed to help you use CUBE-90. CUBE-90 is a premium ultrasound system of Alpinion. This device improves user insight by providing excellent resolution and various features for accurate diagnosis. The system consists of a 23-inch monitor with a 12.1-inch touchscreen and a control panel with USB port. There are transducer holders on both sides with an additional holder provided for the user's convenience. You can press and hold the swivel button and move left or right, or automatically control the height by pressing the up and down buttons when moving the control panel. Press the power key to turn the system power on. You can find the sleep key besides the power key on the control panel. You can use sleep mode to save power while the system is not in use and quickly reboot. Control Panel Touchscreen Overview. You can find the soft key function on the soft key label at the bottom of the touchscreen. Press or rotate to select a function. You can assign various functions and user-defined keys. Let me introduce more detail in the Step 2 User Settings section. Press the Image Mode key to change mode. Rotate the key to adjust the gain of each mode. You can use the trackball to adjust the cursor position, and both cursor keys create and select a cursor. The function of the key is displayed at the bottom of the monitor, and the displayed information changes depending on the image mode. You can assign your preferred function to the print key. It is convenient to assign the image saving function to P1 and the cine saving function to P4. You can learn the setting method in Step 2 User Settings section. On the keyboard, you can use Quick ID to rapidly register a patient, Patient Browser to search for a patient, Image Preset and System Preset to modify the settings, DICOM Spooler to check the PACS transmission status, New Preset to create a new preset using the current parameters, and Help to open the user manual. You can also use special function buttons for quick execution at the bottom of the keyboard, such as XSpeed that automatically optimizes the image and the cursor display button. Step 2. User Setting. When using it for the first time, set the user-defined keys and print keys. Open the System Preset page. System Preset. If you select the user-defined key item in User Settings, functions that can be assigned to the user-defined keys and numbers on the keyboard will be displayed. Select the function to assign and click the desired item. In Power Preset Touch, click the empty space and select a desired transducer and a preset to establish the power preset. Then, move to the Print Foot Switch item. Save the user-defined keys. You can set saving options in the Store Print. Let's select Single for P1, Printer for P2, DICOM Server for P3, and Frequently Used Cine for P4. Click Save and Exit to complete the setup. You can find your user-defined keys in the status bar at the bottom of the screen. The user-defined key 7 is located at the bottom of the trackball, and its assigned function is displayed in the soft key label. Image Preset. Open the Image Preset page. You can adjust the location of the frequently used preset for each transducer in the application item. You can move the frequently used preset to the front and create an empty space for separation. Click Save and Exit to complete the setup. Check the changed preset location on the transducer page. Step 3. Beginning an exam. Open the patient page on the touchscreen. Enter the patient information and select Application. If necessary, you can run X Plus Assistant immediately. Press the Start Exam button to start scanning. Step 4. Imaging functions. Zooming images. You can enlarge the screen by rotating the zoom key. For right zoom, press the key. When a green box appears, press the Set key and adjust the size. Then press the Zoom key again. You can see a clearer, enlarged image. Store as Cine. You can set Cine saving options in Image Preset. You can adjust the time span and the direction of the acquisition prospectively or retrospectively. Live Dual. If you select Live Dual Image on the touchscreen, you can see one image in both B mode and CF mode at the same time. Copied caliber display in Live Dual. You can display duplicated calibers on the dual screen at the same time. You can set this function in Measurement of System Preset. Live Dual Direction. You can set the image mode and direction in Image Preset. You can select Vertical View by opening the Live Dual Direction item. Vertical view is convenient for viewing a wide area, such as 5 mm linear transducer images in comparison. Step 5. Optimize an image. 2D mode. In 2D mode, rotate the 2D key and adjust the gain. Press and rotate the focus key to adjust the number of multi-focuses, and then press the key again to fix it. There are soft key knobs at the top of the control panel. You can find the soft key function easily because the locations of the touch menus and the soft key knobs are the same. Rotate the soft key knob to adjust the parameter and press the knob to change the item below. The soft key function is applied according to each image mode. The inversion harmonic function is enabled to improve image quality. This function improves the contrast between tissues compared to general harmonic imaging, since unnecessary signals, noise, artifacts in the lower frequency are reduced. Color Flow Mode. Press the CF key to start Color Flow Mode. Press the Set key and adjust the size of the ROI box, and then fix the size using the Set key again. Adjust ROI steer by rotating the angle knob at the top. If it is a horizontal vessel, you will probably need to steer the color box to obtain a good Doppler angle. You should make it parallel to the flow direction. Adjust the flow state according to velocity. If fine-tuning is required, adjust the PRF using the soft key. You can enter Power Doppler, DPDI, and Micro View mode in CF mode. Pulsed Wave Doppler mode. Press the PW key to enter Pulsed Wave Doppler mode. The spectrum will be immediately displayed for quick diagnosis. Adjust the sample volume position. Adjust the sample volume size using the SV button on the touchscreen. It is most desirable to set the size to 1/3 of the vessel size. You can see the depth with dotted lines. Also, you can switch the sequence. If you activate the Show MD cursor in the general page of Image Preset, then sequence will be changed. Enter PW mode. Adjust the MD cursor and activate the spectrum using the PW key. If the spectrum looks cropped, increase the scale or adjust the baseline. If you lost Doppler signal during the scan, click the Update key to find the image again while the Doppler spectrum is turned off. Then press the Update key again to activate the spectrum. Or press the simultaneous button to see both ultrasound image and spectrum in real time. Press Freeze when the correct signal is displayed. Adjust the angle using the angle knob on the trackball to make it parallel to the flow direction. Rotate the soft key knob to adjust the sweep speed as well. Auto calculation. The auto calculation function in PW mode automatically calculates the measurements supported by PW mode. To use the auto calculation function, you can select on the touchscreen. Press Auto Calc Cycle to adjust the cycle of automatic calculation. You can also change the calculated item on the top left in System Preset. Enter System Preset, Measurement, Advanced Measure. You can select calculation items on Auto Trace Calculation section. M mode. Press the M key to enter M mode. Adjust the MD cursor and press the M key to enable M mode image. Rotate the M key to adjust the M mode image gain and adjust the 2D image gain using the 2D key. Rotate the soft key knob to adjust sweep speed. Anatomical M. Using this function, you can adjust the angle according to the anatomical position of the heart. You can see the image in the desired area by moving or rotating the M line. Tap the Anatomical M button on the touchscreen. To see the image with an adjusted angle, rotate the angle knob. Continuous wave Doppler, tissue Doppler imaging. This mode is used for cardiac scanning. You need to request your local dealer to activate this function. It is recommended to connect the ECG cable in the main unit to display the ECG. CW Doppler. CW Doppler is able to pick up continuous transmission and reception and measure high velocity accurately. Press the CW key to enter CW Doppler mode. To acquire spectrum, match the CW Doppler line and blood flow direction, then press the CW key again. Tissue Doppler imaging. This function is also used for cardiac scanning. Scan the apical 4-chamber view, enter CF mode, and then press TDI on the touchscreen to view the image. Adjust ROI according to the image. Then enter the PW mode and adjust the sample volume to about 5 millimeters. Then place at the mitral annulus and activate the spectrum by pressing PW. Freeze the image. After scanning, press Measure and select TDI on the touchscreen, and then measure E', A', S' of the septal or lateral. Step 6. Measurement and report. Basic measurement. Freezes the screen for measurement. Distance measurement. Press the Measure key once. The cursor appears as the shape of a cross. Select both endpoints to measure by pressing the Set key. Ellipse measurement. Press the Measure key once more. the cursor shape changes to a circle. Select both endpoints respectively and adjust the width using the trackball. You can select labeled and basic measurements on the touchscreen. The list of measurements will be different depending on the image mode. Edit caliper. Press the Edit caliper, then you can edit when the target caliper is activated in green. To delete the measured value, select it and press the Clear key. Text. To insert text, press the Text key on the control panel. Input text from the list on the touchscreen. Locate the text activated in green and fix the position by pressing the Set key. If you touch the text with the Replace icon, it will change to an alternative meaning according to the direction, location, and anatomy structure. You can also change the anatomical terms by simply tapping a text. To modify the location of the text, place the green cursor on the text and select by using the Set key. Then change the location using the trackball and fix it again with the Set key. To delete text, rotate the soft key knob to choose a word and press to delete it. Arrow input. In text mode, the cursor changes to an arrow if you press the arrow button on the keyboard. Change the direction by rotating the angle knob and press the Set key to fix it. Labeled measurement. You can improve work efficiency by using labeled measurements in each preset. You can select the desired measurement from the touchscreen. It is changed according to the 2D, Doppler, and M image mode. In the measurement page of System Preset, you can add or delete a measurement of your choice. You can also create a new item for user convenience. Strain elasto measurement. You should register the strain elastography measurements before use. Select System Preset, Measurement, Basic Measurement, and specify an application for elasto measurement, and then add elasto size compare and elasto strain ratio. Return to the scan screen. Activate elasto and scan the lesion. Freeze and select images with an indicator of 4 to 6 on the quality bar. Press Measure key, then enter the Basic Measurement section. Then you can find Elasto Size Compare on the touchscreen. And if you measure a distance or area, it will be displayed on both images of the dual mode. Press Set to fix the measurement on the 2D image, and then you can modify the distance or area on the elastography image. Report. Tap Report after finishing measurements. Labeled measurement will be displayed first. You can open the basic measurement by selecting the button. Tap Comment to write any comments regarding the exam and save them by pressing OK. In the case of cardiology application, you can select pre-written comments. To insert desired images into the report, go to the Preview page, select an image, and then click an empty box to input. You can save a report as a PDF file or print it out in the preview page. Step 7. Review and data transfer. In eView mode, you can review the current and past studies of the patient. You can review, delete, print, or send images in eView mode. Finish the current study first to review a past study. Enter Patient Browser to find patient and double-click the patient. When saved studies are open, select the study and click Image View. You can change the image layout by selecting the layout options at the bottom. You can use eView Compare and X plus Compare in this image view mode. To review and measure a single image, double-click the image. You can conduct a new measurement and save the result in this page. Data transfer. Opening the patient browser is recommended to send an image. In the patient browser, you can send to PACS, print, save to USB, and backup. You can send data by patient, study, and image. Let's send a study to PACS. Find a patient to send and select a study. Press Send to and select PACS, and then add the PACS storage to send a study and click Send. You can check the progress using DICOM Spooler. As a tip for a convenient use, you can send an examination to PACS every time you press End Exam. Features Tutorial: X plus Auto Biometry. Using the Auto Biometry function, you can easily measure the head circumference, biparietal diameter, femur length, abdominal circumference, and humerus for the estimated fetal weight measurement of the fetus. In the freeze mode, press the measure key and select the fetal biometry folder on the touchscreen. When the measurement item is selected, the system automatically measures the structure. When you select an item to measure, the system will automatically measure the structure. Adjust the calibers minutely using Edit Caliber if necessary. Caliper placement can be changed to outer to inner or outer to outer. (3D, 4D). Let's look into the functions that are available in 3D and 4D. Press the 3D, 4D key to enter 3D mode. Set the preset and scan the fetus. Adjust the ROI size using the Set key. Press Freeze to switch to 3D mode. You can select Curved ROI using the Priority key and adjust it using the trackball. Clear Face. If you press Clear Face on the touchscreen, you can see the face of the fetus conveniently as the system removes obstacles such as placenta and hands that cover the face of the fetus. Render Setup. You can select various views in Render Setup. LiveHQ. Select LiveHQ to see 3D images more realistically. You can adjust the lighting position by rotating the trackball. Silhouette. The internal structures of the fetus are exhibited as transparent as a vitreous body. X plus Point Shear Wave Elastography. Point shear wave elastography calculates the elasticity through the shear wave propagation speed in the tissue by pushing and receiving ultrasonic waves in the ROI. It could be useful for non-invasive fibrosis assessment and follow-up in patients with chronic liver diseases. Let's begin. The patient should take the supine position and raise the right arm fully overhead to secure intercostal space. Perform intercostal approach when scanning. The patient should hold his breath to avoid deep inhalation or exhalation. The transducer should be positioned perpendicular to the liver capsule. ROI should be located in the right liver lobe to avoid cardiac motion. Measure at least 2 centimeters below the liver capsule to avoid reverberation artifacts. Press the acquisition key. The results will be immediately displayed on the screen, and the "wait for 3 seconds" message will be displayed. Save the results by pressing the measure key. Press the freeze key and scan again, and obtain the result 12 times. You can get statistical values such as median, IQR, and IQR mean. X plus point shear wave elastography ensures a short cooling time, hence it is helpful for making faster decisions and saving time. X plus microview. X plus microview is the vascular imaging mode that displays the micro blood flow. Scan the kidneys in CF mode. Touch microview on the touchscreen to activate the function. Appropriately adjusting a size of the region of interest is recommended instead of increasing it too much. Various color maps are provided. eView Compare. eView Compare allows importing previous studies and placing saved images and cine loops side by side for convenience of comparison. Open the patient browser, find and select a patient. Press Image View and activate eView Compare. Select the desired study and rotate the soft key knob to open the page of the desired image. Now, find the image to compare. Studies and images are displayed on the touchscreen. A comparison image will appear on the right screen. You can select multiple images on the touchscreen to compare. You can change the layout of both left and right screens by rotating the soft key knob, respectively. Even if you delete an image from the comparison group, it is not deleted from the study. X plus compare. X plus compare allows the image from a patient's previous and current study to be set side by side. While the eView compare function compares among saved images, the X plus compare function compares saved images with a current image. Activate X plus compare on the touchscreen while scanning. The patient's past records will be displayed on the touchscreen. Select the desired study. Select an image to compare and display it on the screen. Scan the patient and freeze the image. If image adjustment is needed, scan again by pressing the freeze key. Save with the P1 key after comparison and end X plus compare using the 2D key. X plus Assistant. X plus Assistant decreases the keystrokes and exam time by guiding the next sequence and automatically displaying the imaging modes, annotations, body patterns, and measurements. Operation. There are two ways to start X Plus Assistant. When starting during a scan, press X Plus Assistant on the touchscreen while scanning the registered patient. Select Application and Protocol, and then press Start Exam on the touchscreen to start. Press the Print key to save the image. Then, the next task will be started. When starting from the patient screen, select an application when registering a patient, followed by the X Plus Assistant checkbox and protocol. And then start with Start Exam for the new patients or Add Exam for registered patients. If you need to measure while scanning, press Freeze and then Measure. Then a registered measurement will immediately come out. If you want to take the previous task again while scanning, select the desired task using the cursor and scan again. If you save the image, the next unperformed task will be started. If you jump to the next task in sequence, save the image using the Print key. Then the following task will be started. You can compare any image you want with X plus Compare. Press the Print key to save and start the next task. When all tasks are completed, a pop-up window appears. If you want to add another protocol, select Continue and the protocol you want for continuous scanning. If you want to end the X Plus Assistant, press the Stop button or end the study using End Exam. Protocol and Task Editor. You can make or optimize protocols and tasks. In X Plus Assistant page, you can create a new user-optimized protocol conveniently with the existing protocol. Press Clone and enter Edit. You can add or remove a task. To add a task, set Image Mode, Parameters, Comment, and Measure, and then press Apply to complete. You can also import or export a protocol using a USB drive.